Number 4. The Dash Safe Slice is a well-engineered kitchen tool that boasts a sleek and modern design, making it an ideal addition to any culinary space. With dimensions of 14L into 4.7W into 11H, this product is compact enough to fit neatly in most kitchen settings without occupying excessive counter space. Crafted from durable plastic and donning a chic midnight navy color, the Dash Safe Slice effectively combines style and functionality. Its special features, including easy clean and adjustable settings, make it a versatile and convenient tool for everyday use. This innovative product is primarily recommended for cutting vegetables, and its 11-inch V-shaped blade ensures precise and efficient slicing. Weighing a mere 1.4 pounds, the Dash Safe Slice is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for various kitchen tasks. In conclusion, the Dash Safe Slice is a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen, offering ease of use, simple maintenance, and a sleek design.